Alright dudes, welcome to a new video. It has been a little while since you guys have seen the R33 boost around, and I know lately the uploads have been slack, but everything's going to go back to normal. And before rolling the clips of me boosting around the R33, I just want to quickly say, if you jump onto Google, write Big Cartel Clutch Kick Junkies and you can get yourself some stickers right there. All you have to do is write Big Cartel Clutch Kick Junkies. The first link you see, you'll find my stickers there. Make an order and get yourself some CKJ stickers. Enjoy the video dudes. Actually wait, I should show the stickers. Here's one design, and here's the next design. Be careful, it's so slippery out here, man. As soon as I put my foot down, the tires just break traction. It's so easy. And I definitely do not want to fall down there, I tell you what. Oh man, you can just feel it. I wish it was dry, man. I just haven't had the days to come out here. Oh no! Not again. So as I already stated, I've been here about 3 times now. The first one, too many cyclists. Second time, too many cars. Now the rain, and now I'm stuck again. I can't win. I can't win. So bored, man. Shit. It takes ages to get here, man, and then now I can't even enjoy it. Oh great, I already caught up to them and I didn't even look. I can't talk when I'm mad. So I thought, while I'm stuck behind cars basically, I'll show you guys the view out here. Look how nice that looks if you look beyond the trees, man. Just cut through this bend. It's just so nice out there, dudes. It's just unfortunate, every time I come out here it's always something, and with the rain as well, it's so slippery. Like there's no traction in this car at all with all this power. But I'm enjoying the drive. I'm looking out the window. It's better than being around the city area. It's just nice to be outdoors, you know. I'm just here to drive my 33 and that's it. I still got other footage of working on the S14, so if I don't get much footage out here, I'll just chuck it in this video. Sorry dudes. It's just hard to grab footage some days, man. It's never been this difficult for me. Lately, I don't know why, it's just traffic has just been chaotic, man. It's just been so shit to go out and drive. But oh well, I'll hit some boost here and there. Should chuck my wipers on. There we go. Look at that, boys. Look at that, ladies and gents. That's what freedom looks like out there. That's another thing, when you come out here, you gotta be careful of wombats and kangaroos, man. The last thing you want is just to smash your front end on a kangaroo or a wombat. That would suck. Look at all those trees. Foggy it is down there, dude. Holy shit, I finally get to use my fog lights on the R33. I've never once in my life had to use the fog lights, but they won't work. So actually, you kind of see the fog lights turn on. You guys can't tell with the camera. Now I have to pull over and put you guys back up on the roof again so I can drive and film. Oh man, this is going to be so challenging to get footage, man. Damn it. Thought third time would have been the charm, but nope. When I drive my car, I always like to look very far ahead, and I like to keep an eye on a lot of things. So if I see like a kangaroo or something in the distance, or like standing around the bush, I kind of just go past it and then hit boost. But as of now, I won't be able to see shit. The things I do to get content for you guys. So make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, show some support, share the videos to your mates. Man, this is too much. Like, it's doable, but it's just irritating. Oh, fuck, what's that? Ooh. Luckily, I just went over it. Massive, like, little branch on the ground, man. I honestly enjoy just being around the open, all the trees, enjoying the nice view while you go out cruising, hitting boost in the skyline. Freedom. Alright, let's go hit some boost because I want to go drive and explore some more. Listen to some country music as I'm like blowing through here, but right now, dude, it's like I love blowing it through here, but shit, man. And I can't tell if this car's coming the opposite way anymore. There's too much fog to keep a lookout now. Because usually I look through the trees and then I know I've got an opening. So these branches here, I look through them to make sure there's no one coming, like a motorbike or anything, or you know, trucks. That'd be the scariest one. But because there's fog and all the wet branches and that stuff in the way, it's too hard to see. But regardless, it's still beautiful out here, man. Might put the windows down. out here. That's nice. Here. Oh man, it's so peaceful out here. Tell you what, dudes, I'm not even joking. Like, I want to move out here. Like, I'm not even joking. I want to get a cabin, more a shed than anything, so I have a place to work on my cars and that. But yeah, I just want to get away from town. I'm so over being around so many people that I don't even want to be around, man. Town is just filled with crappy people. No one's fun anymore. Everyone sucks. Everyone's turning into Karens, basically. Everywhere's getting overcrowded. It's not fun anymore. It's best to just come out here and enjoy life. Everything looks so much more green, like it's been raining, and it just looks so sick down there. I should be focusing here, not down there. See how easy it broke traction right there? This place is so slippery because you guys gotta know it's not just a wet road. Because of all the leaves, all the green shit off the side here, it makes it so slippery. It's like driving on ice, I'm not even joking. Be insane. Alright, if you know where I am, you know exactly where I am. I'm just chilling out by this lookout. Picked up some old number 7. I myself love drinking Jack Daniel's straight, but obviously I'm driving, so I can only have one drink. So I'm going to be chilling out here for about 45 minutes to an hour. I can still drive up for ages that way, but because of all the rain and stuff, I felt like there's no point. I thought, you know what, come here, have a drink, enjoy the view, because you don't get this back at home, and I can do that drive any other sunny day. Because in the rain, you know, as you guys see, it's hard to hit boost. There's no traction in this car, and you guys want to hear this car, and to hear this car you have to hit boost, and to hit boost you have to break traction in the rain, and I'm not about that today. I want to come out here and just like cruise around and enjoy the view, but because the weather's been so kind of crap, thought might as well just kick it here and enjoy this view and have a drink. Come outside. Yeah, it's pissing down now. Look how nice it looks up in the hills with the fog there. That's awesome. Let's get a shot with the skyline here quickly. Oh, that's nice. That's so cool. The shit thing about driving home is, like, it's fun going through the twisties again, but then, hey, there's kangaroos down there. Going home, it sucks because then you go back to filled with traffic and shitty town. You just know the fun's over. So being out here is honestly like the best antidepressant. You come out here with your car, go for a nice cruise with a friend or a loved one, whoever, even by yourself. I enjoy coming out by myself, man. I feel like I can unwind and just sink this all in, man, because it's so beautiful out there. Alright, jump back in the car before I get wet. Cheers, dudes. Jack Daniel's, mate. I love this shit. With my RB, since I've rebuilt it, I've done 2,660 Ks so far in it. So when I get home, it'll be around 2,700 plus. It's just, I love this RB build, but I feel like there just hasn't been anything to do to this R33 other than repaint it, new Nardi wheel, potentially new bucket seats down the line. But every mod that I've done to this 33, I feel like I don't need to do anything else. Like, I've done essentially everything that I need for this car, and it sucks because I want more content for you guys for this 33. And I'm just happy this RB, knock on wood, has been super reliable. It's just been fun to drive. And I feel bad because a lot of the driving clips I get, I know it's very repetitive, but hopefully soon get a couple of mates with 2 cameras and we'll get some nice outside shots, some drone footage as well. I want to try and get someone to follow me in the touge with the drone, so someone that's really good with the drone. Hopefully they can chase me through a touge just so we can get some nice outside shots of me hitting some corners and hitting some boost for you guys as well. Make sure there's no one around. This exhaust note sounds so good, but I'm telling you what guys, I feel like changing the back of the exhaust system on the back, so where the cannon is, I want another one so it doesn't have like that restrictor hole through it. I want just something straight flowing through, because if I do that, I feel like I'll be able to pop bigger flames and the car will have more of a rowdier note. So we'll see what happens with that too. This is what it's about, dudes. This is what it's about. Look at that. That's life. Gotta love it out here, man. It's just so peaceful. I could do this all day, every day. Just wanted to quickly say, I don't care how good of a driver you guys are. If you know where I'm at, don't say it in the comment sections, and please be careful, because if you fuck up, look down here. You can literally fall down and stack it. Like, have a look at all that random shit down there. Do people just dump shit down here? What assholes, man. People are absolute assholes for doing that, man. Why the hell would you throw rubbish into nature like that, man? Dicks. Have a look at that. So nice to take the 33 out. Looks so good there in the distance. But as I was saying, if you guys know where I am, be very cautious out here. I don't care how good you guys can drive, just always be on point. Don't ever over push it, because you do not want to slip off here, man. I'm pretty sure a few people can tell you some stories about people falling off here, especially motorbikes, man. So yeah, I thought I'd spread a positive message about this. So yeah, be careful when you're out here, all right? Look both ways. All right, dudes, I'm gonna put the camera down now because there is traffic up ahead, so there's no point filming. So I'll see you guys when I get home. That was a well-needed drive. I feel bad because I wanted to capture more at the start, but because it was too slippery at the start, I thought towards going to the end, why not just hit some boost and just hold the car, break some traction, control the car, have some fun. Because I don't want to leave this video just, you know, going around being boring. So I hope you guys enjoyed the last part of this video. I gotta quickly rinse the car off, because when you drive out to the hills, man, the car gets so dirty. Also, before I wrap up this video, I just want to quickly say that with the S14, there's a new sponsorship, so I'll be doing that in another video. Let's just say that the S14 is going to sound more rowdy, and it's going to be a lot more powerful, and I cannot wait for all these new mods plus the new sponsorship, so they'll be in the next video. Anyway, dudes, it's time to wrap up the video. You guys know the drill. If you're a new viewer, hit that subscribe button, share this video to your mates. make sure to leave a like and leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys next episode. Catch you guys later.